Okay, looks like FedEx just delivered, we hope, some more trees. This is not when we were expecting them. I guess they came early. What is it?
It's from One Green World.
One Green World, okay. I don't remember what we ordered from there. Christmas on the farm.
Yeah. Now this one looks. This is our hazelnut beta. Oh, but it's got, look at these. This is okay. See these new leaf
Got
buds?
some new growth there.
Yeah, that's going to be okay. There's a hazelnut.
So there's the hazelnut, and then this is,
These are the pawpaws.
oh, we got two pawpaws.
Yep.
All right.